Hi there, handbaggers, and welcome to the Duck's Nest. This is the military mom, and I am on my way to church this morning, but I have a couple of things that I wanted to share with you. First of all, the bag of the week and a couple of purse organization options, and then at the end, just a small quick unboxing. All right, so this is the dress that I am wearing to church today. It is September 29th and it is still in the 90s. So of course I pulled out my favorite dress silhouette, which is a sundress. And let me show you, it has, can you see that? It has a notched collar and it has a very muted red background with big black flowers and a tie at the waist, and the neckline was a little too revealing for me for church or for any other occasion. I just really want to keep the girls contained. I didn't want them to spill out at church, so I had to put a little safety pin right here to keep them decent and presentable. All right, so I also want to show you all that this dress came with these little loops, you know, inside here, so that you can loop them on your hanger and the dress will stay in place. Well, if you look at the cut of this dress, you'll see that it will not fall off the hanger. So I didn't need these loops, so of course I cut them out, because while these loops are not really helpful for this hanger, they will show up in church and they will be hanging out of the back or hanging out of the front. So I decided, yeah, to keep them contained as well, we're gonna get rid of them. So I cut those out of the dress. And the bag of the week to wear with this dress was a bit of a challenge. I went through like 6 bags, so I'm going to show them to you quickly in no particular order. I take that back. I'm going to show you the bag that I actually really wanted to wear with this dress. And it is this one. This is, of course, my Florentine Ivy Dooney and Bourke satchel. And I was really feeling, believe it or not, I was feeling green with this dress. And I wanted to wear this necklace, just a simple necklace with this green stone, because I thought that it would add something to this dress without competing with it. And this bag, because it has the red zipper trim. But I decided against this bag because it's a little too heavy, the color's a little too heavy, the leather's a little too heavy for this summery sundress. So I put this one to the side, picked up her sister, which is this bag in bone, because I thought about maybe wearing, I don't know if you all can see that with the light, this necklace. So it would have been this necklace and this bag. But for some reason, I don't know, I just wasn't feeling the bone. So I moved on and I picked up another Dooney and Bourke satchel, because I really liked this simple flower. It's leather, it's an all leather piece, the necklace. So I wanted to wear this necklace to give the dress just a bit of contrast and color. I don't know, I liked that option, but that was not the option I decided on. So I moved on to this bag, this little simple Steve Madden satchel, because I wanted to wear these earrings, or I thought I could wear these earrings that I picked up in Mexico. It's a Mayan sundial, and of course Mexico is known for its silver. So these are silver earrings with this little satchel. But I don't know, it seemed like the pattern in the satchel was competing, and then the red, I didn't like the color red. So the last bag I picked up before the bag I decided on is my Coach Parker in the color cornflower. And I was going to wear these earrings, which are blue, again, a contrast, but a muted blue to go with this muted red. That would have been okay as well. But I don't like to bling when I go to church. I really don't. It's not, to me, it's not about a fashion show. It's about worship. So I don't want anything that I'm wearing to compete with the worship or to make it look like I'm, you know, trying to get attention. So I decided against these earrings. And what I decided to carry is this black Kate Spade nylon satchel. She has a shoulder strap, but I just want to carry her in the crook of my arm. And these simple black wire hoops. Can you all see those? And I do have a necklace that is twisted. To add a little something to the very, very simple hoops. But I'm undecided about the necklace because, again, there's bling. It's very muted bling, but I don't know. We'll see. I think, honestly, I'm just going to go probably with the hoops, no necklace, the simple little Kate Spade bag, and just some black flats. I think that is what I'm going to wear to church. So, moving on to the purse organization option. I found this simple little piece of plastic on Amazon. If there are those of you who need like over-the-door organization, so you can hang bags, especially crossbodies, over the door. Here's the hook. And I picked this up from Amazon. There was a 2-pack. I think it was like between $4 and $8. I can't remember, honestly. I do not use these to hang my handbags. I use them for another purpose, but I just wanted to show you this option. And depending on your straps, you may be able to double up on the loops there. And this other one is something that I found from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it is another over-the-door option. And here's a purse strap here, and then this is how it looks over the door. This is a 2-pack, and I think I picked this up for $14.99. 3 easy steps. You thread the loop through the metal hooks. Again, this is how it looks hanging over the door, and then this is how it looks with the bags. So if you are needing additional space, this might be an option for you. The purse rack that I picked up from Bed Bath & Beyond. But to be honest with you, you could probably go to Amazon and find it cheaper or less expensive than Bed Bath & Beyond. All right, so the small unboxing. This is a piece that I picked up from Zappos. Just a little, let me show you how it's packaged. Reusable air pillows. Gotta love it. And let me turn the light back off. This is just a little Dooney and Bourke wallet. Actually, it's a wristlet. It's the Millie. And I have no idea why well, I do know, but I was gonna say I have no idea why I purchased this, but yes, I do, because I have no wristlets in a yellow color family. And for some reason, I just decided Millie was the one. So let me show you her tag, which is not going to be helpful at all because it doesn't have her name on it, but I'll show it to you anyway. And I like the fact that her logo plate was set on top of that yellow patch of leather, and you'll see Dooney and Bourke here with the white background. There's nothing on the back. Loved the colors of this wristlet, and let's get this stuff out here so you can see the interior. And she has a yellow wrist strap that is Saffiano. This piece is coated cotton. And she has two sections. The back section you will see has credit card slots. There are 1, 2, 3 of them. And then the front section, there is no additional organization in the front section. And then her wrist strap is also her zipper pull. And then there is the interior of the zippered compartment, which again has no additional organization. So here is my Millie wristlet that I purchased from Zappos, and I think I paid $39.99 for this wristlet. Yeah, I can't remember. Anyway, there you have it, handbaggers, and I would like to thank Clove 007 because she felt that she might enjoy a Sunday morning video from me, so I might just do that. Just do a weekly Sunday morning video with the bag of the week, what I'm wearing to church, just things like that. Thanks, Clove 007, for your encouragement, and of course, thank you all for dropping by the Duck's Nest. And on this Sunday morning, I am going to wish you happy carrying.